Okay, we're at Sao Paulo ruins in Macau right now, so basically what we're going to do is talk about thing with COVID-19. So just kind of talk it while we're looking at this whole view right here. And we're going to go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So, okay, so we're going to talk about COVID. Actually, this dog is kind of cool. I saw this dog earlier, and it has like a blue eye and a brown eye. You're going to see. It's really pretty. Let's see if we can see the... Oh, sorry. Cute dog. Hello. We won't bother it. Actually, there was another dog I saw. I had a blue eye and a brown eye. So, but I don't want to get too close because it may be a little bit threatening. So, okay, so we're going to walk down this hill and we're going to talk a little bit about COVID. And so basically, at the moment, there's no cases. There hasn't been any cases for a while, and the same with Hong Kong. And so basically, people are hoping that we can maybe create a bubble between Macau and Hong Kong. And that's basically what we're hoping will happen in the near future. And then that might expand outward. So maybe parts of China that's in the Greater Bay Area, maybe controversially, I'm not sure how that'll work with China, but maybe include Taiwan, because there's hardly any cases there. And another place with very few cases is New Zealand. So I'm also hearing people talk about New Zealand creating a bubble with Australia. So there could actually later be like little bubbles. Okay, so we're kind of at the base. So this one right here is kind of goes all the way down into Sonata Square. It's kind of weaves in through a little bit. And right behind us, we'll just show some of these buildings that are pretty cool. And back there is Sao Paulo ruins. So, so we're just going to walk down a little bit, and then we're going to talk about COVID-19 and exactly what's all going on with that. Some of the things going on is that basically nobody is going in or out, but they just opened the border about a week ago to some people from the mainland China. So they're predominantly students and teachers is what they say, but it looks like that may or may not be the case. I'm not really sure. It's hard to really know exactly, but that's what it says in the English sources anyways. So so that border is slightly open, but it's not open to all of China, and it's being heavily monitored, of course, for everybody's safety. And then for the foreign community, we're still completely locked out. So anybody that's here cannot get out because there's no ferries, there's no airports, there's no the bridge to Hong Kong. I heard is just recently available for some people. Some people meaning that I think they want people who need to get to the hospitals in Hong Kong, that they have access to that. They didn't before, so they were not able to go, as far as I know. So anyways, the ferry is closed, but the bridge is open for some reasons, but not necessarily open. It's not open for tourists. So if I was to go to Hong Kong, I would immediately go under a 14-day quarantine. And I believe that nobody's coming into Macau, I believe, or maybe Macau residents only. But I think everybody that comes in would have a 14-day quarantine. And I think for like somewhere like Hong Kong, you would not even be able to come in at all if you'd been somewhere else within the 14 days, even if you're Hong Kong, or if you were a Hong Kong person who'd visited some other place or something like that. But anyways, those are kind of the updates. So basically what we're hoping right now is that things will open up, maybe in a little bubble with Hong Kong and Macau being that bubble with, looks like they also want to have Guangzhou, not Guangzhou, but Zhuhai and Shenzhen, of course, as well. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So Sao Paulo ruins is directly that way, and we're going to see if we can see a little bit. Not quite. And we're going to just walk straight down this way. So okay, that's basically the update with COVID. And you can actually see quite a few more people around too. So this was kind of empty even like a week or 10 days ago. But now it's getting a little bit busier all the time. So it's interesting, right? Okay. So, and we're going to close it in this little space here in a minute. And let me just see here. So we'll maybe just follow it a little bit down to this church, and then we'll close out of this one. So okay, so that's the update with here. Check out my other videos. A lot of them I do a lot more other stuff. This one I just wanted to give a quick update, and this is kind of a nice spot in Macau, so a lot of times people come, they just want to hear the words, and if you want to see a little bit of the city, I have tons more videos, and I'll link a couple at the right behind here as well.